The code M0217 in a Bobcat machine means that the hydraulic filter is clogged and requires replacement. And if your hydraulic filter has about 500 hours on it, then the first thing you should actually do is replace the filter or filters, relying on the service schedule for your machine. But in a lot of cases, this code means that there is an issue with the additional hydraulic filter known as the cartridge filter. There was a big batch of cartridge filters made by Bobcat that were faulty and could fall apart. Their bottom part just went off, and when you took the filter out, it remained in the housing. You will need to use a magnet or something to fish it out of the housing. The problem is that in a lot of cases, this bottom part is left there when the new filter is installed, and this leads to pressure anomalies. You will get the M0217 code after several hours if this happens. Also, in the middle of 2024, Bobcat updated the design of the cartridge filter and also the lead of that filter. What's more, they issued the recommendation to replace the O-ring on the lead every time the filter is changed. So before you replace the main hydraulic filter, when you get the M0217 code, make sure you check the cartridge filter. For example, in the T770 or A770 model, it's located near the radiator and it's quite easy to access, so it's actually a DIY job and you won't need to take the machine to the dealership to check this.